Wow, guys, look at this. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Guess What TV, where we keep you guessing. In today's video, guys, I'll be making a honey garlic glazed salmon. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So guys, we have some melted butter. We have some honey. We have some ginger soya sauce, some garlic powder because I don't have the real garlic today. We have some mustard, and we have some sugar, and the good old Trinidad pimento. Guys, we went ahead and washed our salmon with some vinegar, and now we're about to season with some black pepper, garlic powder, powder, some salt. On the other side, and we repeat the process by using the salt, the black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And now it's time to prepare our sauce. We start out by using our Trinidad pimento, cut it up in small pieces. Then we're going to combine all the other ingredients. So now, guys, we're going to combine all the ingredients together. We have the melted butter. You could use olive oil if you choose. We have the sugar. Some mustard. Soya sauce. And some honey. And last but not least, some garlic powder. If you have the real garlic, you could use it, but I don't have that today, so I'm just using what I have. And we're gonna whisk it around. It smells so good, guys. So now we're gonna lay the lemons at the base. Now I'm going to lay my salmon over the lemons. Then I'm gonna pour my sauce. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for an hour. Looking so good already. Put in the oven on the broil settings, and we're going to let it broil for exactly 20 minutes. So we put in the oven on the broil settings for exactly 20 minutes. Wow guys, look at this. Now we're going to rebase it and put it back for another 10 minutes to be exact. Wow guys, look at this. Now we're going to base it once more and put it back in the oven. All these lovely juices. Wow. Here we have the finished product, guys. Wow. Some of the benefits of eating salmon: it reduces the risk of heart disease. It's loaded with selenium, and selenium is good for the thyroid. High in B vitamin, and it's a great source of protein. Last but not least, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So guys, start eating your salmon. It's really tasty. So here we have the finished product, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Honey garlic glazed salmon, looking so lovely and tasty. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Peace. I'm out.